Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-40F, the boiler feed Clack bypass plug screw for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, so let's go file, new, MMGS part. Okay, so let's go top plane, sketch, circle. It's going to be a circumference, diameter of 7. With a thickness of 2. Feature through 2. I'm just going to leave that blind, make that difference at this stage. So, okay, so now we're going to go underside, sketch, circle. That's going to be a diameter 5. With a extrude of 6. Nope, 6, not 7. Thank you. And done. Now we want to go the front plane, normal, sketch. Now we want to go, let's see now, center line from there to there. Now go line, across, down, across, up, and across. There we go. Reason I've done center line, I'll make sure that's center. I could have done other ways. I found that way a bit easier. Now, this is going to be 1 millimeter. Which is going to be 2, which it is. Excellent. Let me just put 2 there. I know it's a lock position, but I'm going to put that in there. Didn't have to. And it's going to be 1. Now, we want to go to feature. That should be in the middle. It is. It's extrude through all. Direction 2, through all, and done. There we go. Got screw head. Now, we want this one here. So let's go to this face. We're going to do a thread now. Plane. 2 mil. We can say 2 mil. That's perfect. Let's go to hole wizard. Thread. That's circle circumference. Come on, thank you. With that box there, the plane, sorry. Now we want the end conditions going to be up here. That's going to be, what was it? 5. So it's going to be 5. I want M10. We want M5. Right, the A5 we've got 0.8, so that's the only one we can use. There we go. Okay, so we want trim and trim. And is that right one? Hey, you've got right one that time. Excellent. Okay, so now we hide that plane. It's not needed. And that should be it. That is it. Alright, that's part 3-40F. The boiler feed Clack bypass plug screw done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Welcome new subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.